Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I wish you all are fine and well, safe at your home. So, welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you guys a beautiful and amazing Christmas snowman crafting ideas. How you guys can make this type of snowman crafts in your homes, and it will look so amazing and beautiful if you guys will decorate it in your homes. So hopefully you guys will love this beautiful collection as well, just like my all the videos. So do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon too if you haven't subscribed my channel yet. And give me your reviews, your positive feedback in the comment section, which will be really helpful for me and motivate me to bring more amazing collection for you guys in my upcoming videos. So I will be back again with my another amazing video collection. Just wait for my next upcoming video. Hopefully, just like my previous videos, this video and my upcoming videos will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.